Hi, and welcome to Yoga with Miss Michelle. Let's start our story.
Do you guys remember meeting my Hissy Monster last week? Do you remember the Hissy Monster? Well, guess what? He came out the other day again, and he was so ornery. He got so mad. He stomped his feet really hard like this, and he caused an earthquake. He stomped his feet so hard, and he crumbled down my house. Do you guys think you can help me rebuild my house today? Yeah? You'll help me? So let's go. Let's start building. Stand on your mats. Bring out your butterfly. Ready? Butterfly up. And butterfly down. Good. Shake it out. Ragdoll. Ragdoll. Good. Now we're going to step back into plank pose. This is our really strong foundation for our house. Make sure it's strong and tight and sturdy. Good. Oh, did I tell you that I brought my dog? Let's take him for a walk. Good. And upward dog. Howl with me. Ow! Good job, guys. And downward dog. Take him for a walk. He has a friend, a three-legged dog. Good job. Other side. Good job. Walk it up. And step forward. Warrior pose. We're building our walls now. Is your wall strong and sturdy like mine? Good. Triangle pose. This is the top of our roof. Good. Build a wall. And let's go to the other side of our house. Big strong wall here. And build our roof. Good. And our last wall. Good. You guys are such stars. Twinkle those fingers. Good job. Show me your twinkle stars. You guys are strong and big like a mountain. Oh no! Hissy Monster's back. Hissy Monster's back. Oh no! You guys, what do we do? What do we do now? Hurry up. Yogi glasses. Snap them in half. Good. Bring them down to your knees. And magic words. Peace begins with me. Good job, everybody. The Hissy Monster's gone. You helped me. You helped me build my house, which is big and tall and strong, just like all of you. And you helped me get rid of my Hissy Monster. Thank you so much, everybody. So, I was thinking, now that we have our new house, oh no, not him again. Not the Hissy Monster again. Hissy, hey Hissy, come here. Hissy, come here, can we talk? Can we talk? Hi, Hissy. How are you? What's going on? Can you talk to me and tell me why you might be upset today? Oh. Oh, do you know what he told me, you guys? He said that he was upset the other day when he stomped his feet really loud and hard and he broke my house. He says he feels bad and that he's sorry. And all this time he was trying to come and help us to say he was sorry for breaking our house. But we were so busy rebuilding, we didn't take the time to listen and ask him what was going on. Thank you so much, Hissy. I'm so sorry. I love you. It's okay. I forgive you. Would you like to come into our new house with us? Yeah, you would? Remember that whenever you're frustrated and you feel your Hissy Monster come out, you can always remember the magic words, peace begins with me. And then you can take 3 deep breaths in and out. And then it'll be so much easier to tell everybody what you need. Good job, everybody. Bring your hands to your chest, and we're going to say namaste. Namaste means the light in me sees the light in you. Thank you so much for coming again today, and I hope to see you again next week. Goodbye, everybody.
Bye.